Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is the Flightless Dragon channel. I just wanted to make a quick video and provide some advice and some experience I had recently signing up for Postmates. I know a lot of this gig economy stuff has gotten really popular, so I decided I wanted to sign up for like 5 different companies doing deliveries, in my case in the San Francisco area, and try them out one by one. And so I'm going to be making a number of videos for DoorDash, Postmates, for Grubhub, and Uber Eats. That was the last one. Uber Eats. Okay, so stay tuned for those videos because those will be coming. Right now it's Postmates. So I guess really the number one question anyone's going to ask is, can you actually make money? Can you make good money, doing this? Because if you're just going to make minimum wage, you may as well go have job security at another place. At least that's my approach to it. So my experience is, to be honest, the regular pay is pretty low. It's usually about $6.75 an order, and you do get to keep your tips. $6.75 would be not including the tip, but to be honest, very few people tip, so I wouldn't even bank on being able to collect tips because most people don't. So $6.75 about an order. They do blitz pricing, but the blitz pricing is extremely unpredictable. So you can't really bank even on the blitz pricing because it's there or it's not, and they never tell you ahead of time, like, hey, Thursday at 5 o'clock we're going to start doing blitz pricing. They don't tell you that. They tell you when it starts. So if you're already working, great. Then now you're going to make 1.5 times the amount per order or more. But if you're not already working, what are you supposed to do? Drop everything you're doing and then just go race off to where your work area is and do that? It doesn't make sense. So can't really bank on that. Now, a couple of good things about Postmates is e-bike program. So $80 a month, you can rent a Gen Z electric bike, which is like about $2,000. It's about $1,600 for the bike, but then it comes with a bunch of accessories. So it's about a $2,000 package that you get for $80 a month. $100 down, $80 a month. That comes out of your earnings. The $80, or the it's kind of like a lease, so it's 12 months long. You break your lease somewhere midway, then they keep your $100. But as long as you don't do that, then you're pretty much fine. You're going to get the $100 back at the end of the year. You can get another bike at that point, or you can just stop. That's a really cool thing. And you are free, by the way, to use that bike for anything you want. You can even use it to live for other companies, which is really cool. Bonuses are cool. When there is a bonus, they usually do pretty generous bonuses. Like you complete 5 deliveries, you get like $50, and you complete 10, get 100. Sometimes they'll do that. One time on actually this last Halloween back in October, they did. What was that one? I think it was 100 deliveries. I think it was 100. 100 deliveries, it was a $500 bonus. That was 150 deliveries. So I've only ever seen that once, but that's a pretty awesome bonus. So bonuses are cool. The bike is cool. To be really honest, it's a side gig for me. I have a job. I work for 2 different companies out of the San Francisco area. So if you're trying to make a full-time income, you're probably not going to be wanting to do it on Postmates. Could you? Yes, because there's deliveries happening all the time. As long as you live in a fairly large city, there's going to be always deliveries happening. But are you going to be able to make, or you're going to be able to make full-time income, but are you going to be able to do it in a reasonable amount of time? Probably not. You're probably going to be working your freaking rear end off to make a full-time income if you're just doing them. So what I would do is if you're considering doing Postmates, maybe you're interested in the bike, then sign up for Postmates, but also have something else that you're doing, like a regular job. You have other delivery companies you're working for, maybe Uber, maybe you're working for Lyft. I would combine it. You combine it with other gigs that you can do, or with another full-time job, essentially. Like I said, I would not try to make full-time income just off of Postmates. That's just my take on it. Of course, everybody's different. Different markets could be very different too. San Francisco area, though, is one of the largest markets for this sort of thing. Uber, Lyft, food delivery, doesn't matter. San Francisco is one of the biggest, best markets for that. So to be honest, your experience would probably even be making less than I did, and I didn't make that good of money, to be honest. So I would use it if you're going to do Postmates. Like I said, do it for the bike, do it for the bonuses, use it as a side gig, but I would not try to do full-time income off of it. So that's my advice. Stay tuned for more videos. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.